Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations, back today with a different video. I'm doing a collaboration with Pippi Paintings, P-I-P-I Paintings. I will put her link in my description. So I had to give her the colors that I wanted her to use, and she gave me the colors that she wanted me to use. And we could choose a diptych or a triptych, but it had to be more than just one painting. And we decided on Dutch pours. So she does the Dutch pour with the hair dryer. I normally, if you watch my channel, you know that I like to do it with my own breath. So I think that's how I'm going to do it today, just to be a little different. Not actually sure. The other stipulation is it has to be a half and half, different color. So, colors that she chose for me were turquoise, purples, and gold. And I could use whatever base color I wanted to use for my half and half. So, what I decided to do was use purples, golds, and turquoises, different shades of them. And for my half base, I'm going to be using dioxazine purple mixed with a little pump of black, just to darken it. So it's this really rich, pretty purple. So they're going to be my base plus the white. And colors I'm going to use are this is Pebbio blue turquoise, and I have some Amsterdam phthalo turquoise. I'm using violet blue by DIPTYCH Basics. I'm going to be using some purple flash by FLUIDART. I'm going to be using my Deco Art 24 karat gold, and I'm going to be using some Blick fluorescent purple. So, and do I want to use anything else? I think I want to use another light colored turquoise. Let me see what I have here. Well, that's light blue iridescent. Yeah, maybe some Pebbio light blue iridescent turquoise. Okay. So I'm going to put my base paints down and I'll be right back. All right, so got my base paints down. That is not an easy task. And I decided to make it even more difficult. I decided to do it this way. So the white in the middle, and I'm going to blow it kind of like that. All right, so let's put the colors down. I'm gonna try it with my mouth first, see if I like it, and then if not, I'll use the hairdryer. So that was the Blick fluorescent purple, and this is the turquoise. And then the darker, let's do the light blue violet. And then the purple flash, which I don't have a lot of. Just probably get me through. Then the lighter Pebbio, the lighter turquoise, and a little gold. Let's see what happens. Oh no, let's see. Okay. Pretty. Let's put the colors down now. I'm going to put all the colors down since I know what I like, how I'm doing it. Covered, and I think it is. All right, there's my purple diptych, my collaboration with Pippi's paintings, and so go over there, check her out. She's just getting started too, and we're trying to help each other out. I think this is a great way to collaborate with other artists to, you know, get more people to come and check out your art. So if any of you want to do a collaboration, I am willing, and I would love to do some fun collaborations. This was a lot of fun, figuring out what we were going to do, and truth be told, I did a triptych yesterday and it turned out beautiful. Used different colors actually, and my camera turned off, so I got the beginning of the painting where the base paints were down, and that was it. Just for fun, I will show you. It was not yesterday, it was 2 days ago. I will show you the half of it anyway. it was this. It was with like a light grayish purpley blue and a dark blue, and then I did the purple and the gold and the turquoise, and it was a triptych and it came out beautiful. Decided not to keep it as a triptych, separate it probably. Here's the other piece, and I did, it was 3 color base colors, so 2 of them had this color, 2 of them had this, and anyway, one of them I wasn't totally happy with, so I changed it and I did this to it. I swiped the bottom and blew out the top, and this one came out really cool, I think. But anyway, this was my failed attempt at the triptych. So today I decided just to do the diptych, do purple base, and actually I'm really happy I did because it looks fabulous. Beautiful, this color purple. Again, dioxazine purple Liquitex Basics, but I added a couple pumps of black paint to it just to darken it. So let me know what you think, and go check Pippi's painting out. Again, I'll link her down below. All right, and if you're interested, I have a soap channel too. I've been putting a few videos out there. I make soap, and it's The Art of Soap by Tina, and I'll put a link down in my description for that too. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.